Hello and welcome to India Today. I am Sanjay Ponappa. Today I watched the Telugu film Bhairavam and my one line review of the film is that this is a stereotypical film. Any stereotype that you might have about what South Indian cinema looks like, this film has all of that. But still, at the end of the day, it is fun, it is entertaining, and that itself is enough to let go of everything else and declare this film a surprise winner. Diving into the details, this film stars Bellam Kondasai Srinivas, Nara Rohit and Manchu Manoj in the lead, along with several other prominent actors who play quite the important roles in the film. This film has been directed by Vijay Kanaka Medala. I am sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. Correct me in the comment section. This music is by Sai Charan Pakala, and I'm giving a prominent place for the music because it plays an important role in the film. Not that it is very good, not that it is the best song or the background music ever, but it's just that to give you a reference, there was a time when Akhanda released and there was so much noise about the background music given by Taman in the film. It's not that it was great, it's not about how good it was, but it was about how loud and engaging it was. The music in this film is also similar to that. It is loud and it is engaging at the same time. At places it is just brilliant when you need it the most. For example, during the pre-interval fight scene or the pre-climax fight scene, the climax fight scene, all these places, the music is just amazing and it just hooks you onto the screen. Let me talk about the technicalities first, but because this is where the film actually shines a lot. The technicalities, the cinematography in places is just beautiful to watch. The key points in the film is the pre-interval fight scene, the pre-climax, the climax fight scene, and all these places, the kind of colors, the frames used, the level of cinematography is just amazing to watch. How cinematography is used during stunt sequences, during the fight scenes, all these things actually makes this film really entertaining. Another very good part about this film is the emotions that they've tapped into. The emotion of friendship, the emotion of family, the emotion of loyalty and integrity, all these things, elements play and a very important role in the film. They are shown so effectively that the whole film, even though there are moments of ups and downs about logic and about all of that, the emotions just manage to sideline all of it. Another important thing in this film is the nostalgic value, personally for me, because it had been quite a while since I watched a film which showed the good life, the happy life of a rural area. If you remember during the olden days with South cinema especially, that we used to have so many films that showed the good side, the bright and happy side of a rural family, of living in the farmland and all of that, living amidst the greenery. This film kind of takes us back to that, that place where there is a zamindar and there are two prominent families and there are, key figures in that family who are taking things forward, who are very respected in the village. That setting on a whole had such a nostalgic value for me that itself was impressive. Talking about the drawbacks in the film, I'm not gonna say this film is just a perfect entertainer, it is amazing. It has quite a good share of drawbacks as well. Like I said, why do I call it a stereotype? Because it has all the over exaggeration, all the overacting, all the melodrama, everything is there in this film. There is also quite some moments where you can see the very evident use of green screen and not the best prowess shown with technicality in all those moments. There is also moments where you feel like, why is there this background music? Why is it so loud? What is this song about? What is all of this? There is just, to be a little blunt, there are some cringy moments here and there in the film. Apart from that, another major drawback, there is scope for one to lose their interest in the film if they're not really, connected with the emotion because nothing else is happening. The story in itself is a very stereotypical story. You've watched it 100 times, the template, you know what is going to happen, who is what. It is all about you latching onto that emotion and enjoying it. These are the good and bad elements of this film, but for me personally, I would definitely call it a winner. Like I said at the top of the video, it is a surprise winner for me because while walking into the film, although you keep a moderate mindset, there was still somewhere in my mind lingering that will this be good? Is this just going to be another over the top action film? But surprisingly, I really liked the film. I came out smiling, I came out entertained, and that I feel like is the major goal that this film was trying to achieve. You have watched the trailer. If you want to watch the film, I would definitely recommend it. If you want to be entertained, especially, nothing more, nothing less. This is a proper commercial entertainment film from the Telugu industry. If you want that, make sure to go to the theaters and watch this film. With that, I am Sanjay Ponnappa and you are watching India Today.